Welcome to PD Hinduja Hospital Medical and Research Center. This is NABH Champions training session. We discuss about management of medication. Crucial subject or most critical subject is storage and maintenance of controlled substances, which is also called as the Narcotic and Psychotropic Substances Act is 1985. Form NDPS 2. We update the license every 2 years. So how do we procure narcotic and psychotropic substances in hospital pharmacy? Let's discuss the process of procurement. Government sanctioned a quota of narcotic and psychotropic substances by authority called Food and Drug Administration. We provide them a quota of consumption of narcotic and psychotropic substances. So senior officer write order letter with approval of Director of Medical Education and Professional Services. Scan copy of the same letter sent to vendor along with emailing. Then senior supervisor indent narcotic and psychotropic substances requirement to vendor which is FDA approved or any authorized dealer. We procure narcotic and psychotropic substances from FDA approved vendor or authorized dealer. Then purchase supervisor raise indent to purchase department. Then purchase department made purchase order through email to vendor. We receive narcotic and psychotropic substances by checking name of the drug, quantity, strength, batch number, expiry, and after GRNing, we store the same as per storage conditions. Then we enter manually the same in narcotic registers. We have a narcotic registers as per the name of the drug and their strengths. Let's start about narcotic drug distribution system. How do we dispense narcotic drugs? Nurses from various floors or any department raise a manual issue slip as well as system indent of narcotic and psychotropic substances. Then pharmacists have a duty to check and match manual slip with system indent. What do we check? Our checklist is name of the patient, admission number, HH number, voucher number, name of the drug, quantity to be dispensed, strength of the drug, name of the doctor, sign, registration number, then name of the nurse, employment number, then we entry the same. We do our sign with our stamp. We match the checklist with system indent also. After checking both manual slip and system indent, removal happens in the presence of two pharmacists. After removing narcotic and psychotropic substances as per requirement, we do fill the form signed by two pharmacists. We have a narcotic cupboard under surveillance of camera, lock and key for proper storage of narcotic and psychotropic substances under safety. So let's narrate again. How do we store? Store in narcotic drug storage cupboard, double locked under surveillance of camera, attached removal entry from to be entry, storage with high drug label on the container. This is pro forma of entry by two pharmacists. Then removal happens, and after removal of narcotic and psychotropic substances, we use locked and sealed narcotic transfer box in which we transfer or issue or supply narcotic and psychotropic substances to various floors. After use, nurses send the broken narcotics or used narcotics by filling broken narcotic issue slip. We dispose broken ampules in cardboard boxes covered with blue bag. We have a broken narcotic register. So how do we dispose empty vials or ampules? Dispose in cardboard boxes with blue bag. Earlier we said twice a week through housekeeping. In this pro forma, name of the item, strength, quantity to dispose, name and sign of executive or senior pharmacy executive or senior officer, name and sign of assistant manager of housekeeping. Let's look at disposal of partially used or broken narcotics. In case of dose is 1 ml and ampule is of 2 ml, then 1 ml to be disposed, right? Discarded under running water in a clean area in the presence of nurse and doctor or head nurse or supervisor or two doctors. Witness the same with sign of the same person in narcotic disposal book with details. Patient's name, HH number, admission number, name of the drug, quantity used, quantity discarded. Broken ampule recorded with the same format sent back to pharmacy. Acknowledgement from pharmacy department as well. How do we dispose narcotic unused or expired? We have a pro forma or a system to dispose expired narcotics. It includes date, name of the drug, strength, quantity, batch number, expiry, in whose presence disposal to be done. It may be pharmacist or drug inspector. After disposal in pro forma, we fill the name and we sign the same pro forma for expired narcotics. So please handle narcotic and psychotropic substances correctly. Thank you very much. Quality healthcare for all.